Okay, guys, I finally have access to Google Pomelli, which is something I've been waiting for a very, very long time now. I'm going to be using this with a completely free Google account, so you don't need to be paying anything, just so you guys know. So basically, all you do is you go to Pomelli. So yeah, you can literally just Google Pomelli, right? It comes up with this. Let's get started. You just put your website here, right? So I'm just going to hop onto another account so you guys can kind of see the process. So I'll just say confirm here. So this is what you can do. You can build your business DNA, which is, fairly easy process. You could easily make this yourselves as well. Like it's cool, obviously from Google, but it's not that groundbreaking. I could probably build this in a few hours, right? So you build your business DNA, you get campaign ideas and assets, you generate a product photo shoot, and then you can also create your brand book and website. The brand book and website is a new thing. So you just say, let's go here. You just put your website. I put ballanderrypark.com just because I was curious, and then I just let it run for a little while, and I'll show you the results now. So what this actually does, which is useful, right? Some of these things are extremely useful, some of them are not. This is very, very useful. If you don't know, this is an ad campaign, right? So it's literally created either an ad campaign or even just an Instagram scroll or whatever it might be. It's completely generated this image, which is crazy. Ballandary is not quite that big, but still really, really cool image, right? So yeah, the first thing you can actually do with this is you can create campaigns. So these are just based on business DNA, right? Again, you could easily build this yourselves, right? But this is still a really, really cool thing. So these are campaigns, right? So they're a four-piece campaign for either ads or putting them on Instagram or whatever it might be. These are very high quality, right? You can even press animate, which is pretty cool. So let's just try that real quick. Let's just press animate here. And yeah, we'll let that run. So the first thing you can actually do, which I think is very, very useful, is you create your business DNA. So you got business details, business hours, phone number, all that good stuff, keywords, right? Looks like it's grabbed some social links. No, it hasn't even grabbed social links. I could probably do a better job than this. Honestly, I might actually make my own just to prove that. It seems like it's managed to get the actual font. This is the font, as far as I remember from the website. Brand aesthetic, brand tone of voice, business overview, etc. And then once you've done that, you can start to create your catalog. Right here is a catalog of products to use in your campaigns. So let's just go through this. So exclusive wedding venue hire, perfect. Corporate retreats and team building, very, very good. Hen and stag parties, milestone birthday parties. So this is kind of a way to help you run your Google ads, right? Let's say you're a complete noob. It's kind of like Harbor for ads, right? But I mean, in my opinion, they're missing a trick here, which is like you being able to click here and then being like create campaign, and then it actually creates the ad for you, right? And puts it on Google Ads. I would say that would be the next step. I'm surprised they haven't done that already. There might be a way to connected apps, Google Ads. Connect your Google Ads account to streamline your ad campaigns. If you have multiple accounts, you can choose which one at the time of sharing. Okay, so you can connect Google Ads. That is very, very interesting from you. I think this is probably the future of ads, because right now, a business like this, like it's quite hard to know as this business what your products are, right? Like obviously we know, but like it's kind of hard to fathom, right? If you don't have it all laid out. But with Pomelli, whatever it's called, it will actually do that part for you. So it finds your products, right? Obviously, if it's an e-com, this is just generally easier anyway. And then you can create campaigns from that, right? And then, like we just saw, you can actually connect your Google Ads account as well, which means you can basically, this is what has been missing from Google Ads, in my opinion, for a while now. Like I've been wanting this for a while. So this is an entire marketing agent completely for free from Google, right? And the fact that it's from Google, what does that mean? It basically means that it's going to be very, very high quality, right? One thing I would say they need to change like as soon as possible. Okay, no, it does work. Is sometimes when you go off, it stops doing whatever it was doing, which is kind of annoying. Let's have a look at brand book here. So this is loading our brand book, brand book generated from your business DNA. So I guess this is going to be like a pitch deck almost, which is, again, is pretty damn cool. Like if you can use this to generate, like I would quite like to use this for Harbor as well. see what it's like generating the brand book. And also you can generate websites. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not too keen on the website feature. I just have a feeling that the websites are gonna be terrible. And also you need a website to begin with, so what is the point in that? I don't see the point, right, in this. Maybe it's to push people towards Google Sites or something, but I'm not really understanding what the point of generating websites is, seeing as though you need a website to start in the first place. Okay, so this is the animation. Let's see. It's not really doing much. Yeah, I don't know if this is using VO. I guess this is using VO. Let's download this and see if we can actually see it animating. Okay, yeah, there's no animation whatsoever on that, so I don't know why they're saying animation, but there we go. Not sure what this is. This is decent, I guess. This is a murder mystery, by the way. I don't know what this is. But the guests in the drawing room were a lady in a red hat. Yeah, okay, this is okay. This is okay. You could add this then to your business DNA, so it's like a new stock photo to use, right? Which is pretty cool. I do like that feature because then that'll then be in the website and in the brand book. I understand where they're going here for sure. Let's go with this. Sure. Confirm your images. Can't you do that? Isn't that your job? Question mark. I'm not really sure why I have to go ahead and select these, but let's just select them, I guess. Okay, confirm. Let's have a look here. So, yeah, okay, I understand. This can be sent to like a designing whatever to get a website built for you, but not really sure what the point of this is. Brand book not published. Before you publish the unnecessary waste. Okay. Yeah, I'm really not sure what the point of this is. If anyone can tell me, then let me know. But yeah, this seems completely pointless to me. What would have been cool would be like like a pitch deck, right? This isn't really a pitch deck. This doesn't really show anything about the business. This is just more of like yeah, you can send this to another AI or whatever to generate things for you. But yeah, I'm not really a big fan of that. Let's see the website. A complete copy of our current website? Question mark. No, it's not a complete copy, but it's pretty close to being a complete copy of our website. So like I said, I'm not too fond or happy with these two particular things, right? But the other stuff here, the campaigns, the photo shoot, etc., are extremely useful for marketers, right? You can now run campaigns for people without having to worry about, gathering images manually. I'll tell you right now, I've done this recently. It's still annoying, right? You have to literally go through their entire website, find assets one by one. This is now a completely automated process using Pomelli. I finally got access to Pomelli, and I'm really, really glad I did. I love the catalog. I love the business DNA. I love the campaigns. I love the fact that you can connect Google Ads. I will definitely have to test that in a future video. But yeah, let's just have a look at the Pomelli changelog if we can see that. Okay, so it looks like this is the update. It was actually May the 19th. I didn't realize it was this long ago. Last year, we introduced Pomelli in Google Labs. Today, we're making it even easier to create content for your business with new agentic capabilities. The Pomelli agent helps you build your business DNA or brand identity. I might make an open source version of this because I think I can do just as good a job, if not better. Whether you have existing materials or are starting from scratch, you can upload products, docs, and photos, or chat the agent to build your brand identity. So the new thing is the brand identity, it looks like, which is pretty interesting. The reason I say that I can do a better job, by the way, guys, is I did create Harbor, which you can go and get in the description and in the pinned comment. But basically, Harbor is like Pomelli, but for blogs. So it scans your website and helps you rank on Google. We've had a big influx of pages published, so 856 pages published, almost 500,000 impressions, almost 4,000 clicks, which I'm extremely proud of. It's pretty much one click per article. No, sorry, 4 clicks per article, which is really, really cool. Very, very interesting. Very good average as well. And yeah, so I might also make my own Pomelli, but if you do need Pomelli, but for blogs and pages and other content on your website, go and check out HarborSEO.ai right now. There is a link in the description and in the pinned comment. There's a free trial as well. With all that being said, guys, I'll leave the video there. Thank you so much for watching. If you are watching all the way to the end of the video, you're an absolute legend, and I'll see you very, very soon with some more content. Peace out.